So my name is Ruchi Singh. I'm an Ibdp English teacher. And first, I want to thank all of you for joining it.
I'm Vahida. I'm from Ahmedabad.
Mhm.
This is
Yeah,
Hadia Mustafa from Egypt.
Yeah, yeah.
How are you?
I'm very good.
Uh,
Good to see you.
Thank you so much for this. Hopefully, it's going to be an insightful session.
Can you hear
yeah. Hi, I'm Smita. Right now, I'm joining from Jaipur. I work at the Jayashree Periwal International School, and I have been associated with the IB since the year 2000. So yeah, I'm Hi Kamini.
Yeah, so I think one of the colleagues she's talking about is me. And I'm also, I'm teaching in Jayashree Periwal School. And I've been teaching IB for a long time, but I would just like to actually, look at fresh perspectives and actually, like a fresh course, because the course has changed a lot. I've gone through a lot of changes over the years. And in between, I stopped teaching Lang and Lit. So yes, definitely, I would love to learn a lot more from all of you.
So I'm from Bombay and I teach at Aditya Birla World Academy. This is my second year teaching, IBDP. So I'm relatively new to this curriculum. I've been teaching IGCSE for a very long time. I've been the middle school coordinator also, but IB is something new to me.
Hello. Yeah. Hello, I'm Zaira Sheikh, IB teacher for English Langlet at Bansanga's SM Shetty International, Mumbai. And I've been teaching IB curriculum since 2014. Had a quick break or about a year, and I'm back as a visiting faculty in the same organization. I'm looking forward to learning a lot of interactive stuff and some more deep insights from colleagues and from you with your expertise. Thank you.
Well, I'm an English teacher for the past 4 years. Okay, I've taught IGCSE for 7 years too. Yeah, for me, IB is like habit of mind. There's nothing to memorize. It's about getting into that sphere of being insightful and perceiving things through the help of the signifiers. So always insights add on a great value. And I follow your Instagram channel as well, Miss Singh. They're really helpful, very deeply analytical. So I'm so glad. In fact, I was looking forward for this session and this has gotten materialized. Thank you so much for hosting it.
Thank you for being here.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rashmi, and I am from Nepal. And currently, I've been teaching Lang and Lit at Swasthashri Gurukul IB World School. This is my second year as an MYP teacher.
Hi, everyone. I'm Disha. And I'm teaching MYP. I have been teaching MYP English for the past 3.5 years. I'm also an MYP. I'm also an IB examiner for middle school for MYP. And this is the first year that I've been teaching DP. So I'm looking forward to a lot. To a lot of new insights.
Yeah, so I, like Disha, I'm also working at Pathway School, Noida. And this is also going to be my first year teaching GP as well. So I'm really looking forward to getting some great insights into the structure of paper one.
I'm Deepthi Kumar. I've been teaching at Aga Khan for the last 1 year. I've been teaching IB, MYP at Pathways. This is the first time that I'm teaching DP, which is exactly why I'm here. Want to learn so much more from all of us.
Paper one is an unseen analysis. So how are we looking at it? What is it about? And what do you need to do as a student? Which is the most important thing you as a teacher need to know yourself to be able to give that confidence to your children that here is a paper that you need to tackle.